an updated way to trade future trading on BingX. BingX is a crypto exchange platform which you can use guys to trade coin and earn for yourself. So if you want to learn how to trade using BingX, then this video is for you. The first you have to do guys is to have an account with BingX. If you have not created an account with BingX, then I will drop a link in the video description guys. Tap on that link, create your account, verify your account. Verification is very simple on BingX, and once your account has been verified, then you are good to go. In today's video guys, I will guide you through some of the things that you need to know that is very crucial when it's come to crypto trading. You will learn what is future trading, how to deposit your USD to this platform, how to take profit and stop loss, and how to do some analysis using this platform, which is very simple. So if that is what you want, then guys, let's dive in. Now I'm sure you've created your account on this platform. The first thing you have to do guys is to add a UXDT to this platform. Tap on the asset button. Now tap on deposit button. From here, tap on deposit crypto. Now here you have option says assets, that is extra top asset and others. Tap on UXDT from the option you see on the screen, or you tap on the search bar, you searching for UXDT. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, it comes out like this guys. You can select any of these network to send your UXDT to this platform, from Ethereum, Smart Chain, Tron, and others. So you have so many of them in this platform. Now that I've sent your USDT to this platform, then you are good to go. The next thing you have to do now is to engage what is called future trading. Now, what is future trading? Future trading is a process whereby you trade and you earn as you trade, provided you are able to predict the market very well. If the market work against your prediction, you are not making money. But if your prediction and the market align, then you're going to make money. That is why you need to learn how to take future trading seriously, because you earn as it goes. Meanwhile, there are some activity that influences the trading. There are some circumstances that affect the movement of cryptocurrencies which you need to know. And if you want me to make video on that, just says make video on what to know on before I make trade. So I will give you this important information so that you learn from it. Now the first thing you have to do while you want to trade is to come over to this market button. Here at the base you have the home, you have the market, you have the feature, you have spot and asset. So go ahead and tap on feature. Once you tap on feature, it comes out like this. Now don't forget that you've sent your UXDT to your account, and the USDT must be on the feature account. So now you tap on feature, you have it under UXDT IVM. Make sure you are under UXDT IVM. Now that I've done that, you have something like this. The first thing you have to do here guys is to select your trading pair. Here we have MYX/UXDT. So tap on that little arrow. You have different token here that you can trade. Currently guys, the market is down a bit. BTC is around 118,000. So here you have different options. Here you have all, you have UXTC, you have new listing, you have Xstock, you have Trump, you have DeFi, you have meme coin, you have innovation, you have AI project, you have HYPE, you have index, you have so many coins that you can trade here. So I will search for all. Let's go under all. So under all, you have different tokens that you can trade here. So let me go and take a look at SUI or UXTC or SOL, as the case may be. Just take your time and check for the coin you want to trade on this platform. So let me go and take one of these coins and guide you guys on how to trade. So let's try Tron UXDT. Here is Tron, that is TRS UXDT. Tap on that. Once tap on that button, you've successfully selected your trading pairs. Now that I've done that, at the front of that token, you see minus 2.57%. This tells that the price of TRS has fallen to 2.58% or 2.57% in the last 24 hours. That is what you have to take a look at there. Now, after that, you see bonus. Then after bonus, you see these two candlesticks. Tap on this candlestick. Now at this page, the first thing that you need to see is the price of the token you are trading. Now we are trading this token, that is TRS, which is 0.0 0.3568 cents. The price has fallen to minus 2.61% in the last 24 hours. Then if you take a look at what you see at the front, where you see 24 hours high, 24 hours low, 24 hours volume, then 24 hours TRS. Then in total, guys, in that 24 hours, the highest price of TRS is 0.37041, while the lowest price is 0.35200. The volume that has been entered into this market in that 24 hours is about $20 million, and the volume of TRS that has been traded is about 57.3 million TRS. Now that I've seen that, then the next one is, you see, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, and the rest. So here, tap on 5 minutes. The 5 was tap on that 5 minutes, or it comes up like this. Now you see the time. You have 1 minute. You have series of times here. Let's tap on 1 minute. Once tap on 1 minute, it comes out like this. This is the market in the last 1 minute. You see that in the last 1 minute, the price of TRS has been coming down. You see that it starts coming down from 0.35829, and as I time this video, the price is around 0.35668. You can see the time. So each of these candlesticks stand for 1 minute. Then if you tap on the 1 minute again and select 3 minutes, then it's going to see that each of the candlesticks stand for 3 minutes. That is how to use that. Then if you scroll up a bit, then you have some important order option here. You have the order book, you have the trade, you have the coin information, and you have info. So I'm going to explain each of these in this video. The first one is book order. Here you have the buy session and you have the sell session. Tells that a lot of transaction is going on this platform, and at book order you have the prices attached to them, and you have it here. Then you have the trade. We'll tap on the trade, and here is the trade that goes on this platform. Every second, you can see people are buying, people are selling at seconds as it goes. Then the next one is coin information. If you tap on the coin information, you're going to have access to more information about the coin you want to trade. Then scroll up a bit, guys. You have Tron, data approved by CoinMarketCap, is for information purpose only. So this information is obtained from CoinMarketCap, and Tron coin ranked number 9 among the coin in the list of coin in the world. Then the total circulation, that is circulating market cap, is what you see here, about $33 billion. Then fully diluted market cap is what you see here, guys. Then circulating supply of TRS is what you see in this place. There, the maximum supply, you have it here. Total supply, you have them. So you have some information about this token in this place. Then you can see the you can from here access the official website, and you can as well from here access the white paper of this project. This is a very good one. Then let's go and see the information. We'll tap on the information. You're going to have few information about this project. The first one is this. Under information, you have the contract information, which is settlement currency USDT, SOX OKS/Bybit. Then price precision 0.01%, then minimum, that is tick size, you have it here. Then maximum trade amount 5 TRS, minimum trade value 2 USDT, fund interval 8 hours. Then you see open interest, you have it here. Then under that, under contract, you have position and maintenance margin, you have that in this place. Then you have trading rules, you have so many information that you can leverage on this particular part of the trading system. That is why this trading is a very good trading guide that you can use and explore. Now let's start back. Now that you exhaust this, the next thing I want to tell you that you can even calculate your expected profit before you enter the market using the calculator feature on this trading platform. So go ahead and tap on these 3 dots. Tap on the 3 dots to bring you to this interface. Here you have different options. You have the preference, the calculator, details, fund transfer, market information, level, gesture, and so many things. So go ahead and tap on calculator. Tapping on the calculator brings to this interface. Now you can see that here you have the PNL, you have the target price, liquidation price, then average open price. These are what you see on this platform, and you see that you are trading Tron/UXDT here. So if then you can as well select any other token you want to trade, but here we are covering Tron/UXDT. Then you have to decide either you are taking long and taking short. When you take long, it means the price of that particular token here, Tron, is going to increase. And if you take short, you predict that the price is going to come down. Now, based on what is going on, I think the price is coming down. So I want to predict that the price of Tron is coming down. Now, I want to use leverages, which I will also explain detail in this video. Now, the leverage is this. You have to enter the leverage into this place. Maybe you are trading, let's say you are trading, let me put 10x here. You are trading 10x, that is 10x is what you are trading. Now the open price, let's say you want to, the open price, you enter the open price here, the open price. Then the next one is the close price. Then the amount of USDT or Tron you want to invest, you select that in this place, then you tap on calculate. I will also come and explain detail this as time goes on when we get to the price, another thing in this video. Now let's go to this place. Now that I've know all this, after that, guys, you see this button I call isolated. If you tap on that button, there are two option here. You have the cross margin, you have the isolated margin. Now what is cross margin? Cross margin allows the system to take from your reserved capital and start trading. For example, you've dedicated 2000 USDT on your official trading wallet and you've decided to trade with just 300 USDT, and the market go against your prediction and your 200 USDT set aside for the trading or 300 USDT set aside for the trading was liquidated. Instead of the system to send you out of the market, if you go to your reserved UXDT in your official trading wallet and start trading, and this is very risky. So I always encourage you to use isolated. In that of isolated process, when you selected or when you appointed a certain portion of your trading capital to trade and the capital was exhausted, instead of the system to take your to go to your main account, I mean to your reserve account to trade, no, the system will send you out of the market. So I always encourage you to trade on isolated. Now that I've tapped on isolated, if trade on that, then go ahead and tap on 20x. Now here we call it leverages, guys. I always encourage you to trade between 3 to 5x, 3 to 5x, maximum guys 10x. Now what is leverages? For example, you are trading on 1000 USDT and you take a 10x, it means you multiply whatever you are trading by 10. That is 10,000 UXDT, and your commission, your earning or your profit is on 10,000 UXDT. Meanwhile, if the market is going against your prediction, you are losing at 10x. That is why it is always good to trade at little or minimum trading pair, so that the market will not send you out of the market as soon as possible. Now tap on the next arrow, which here you have position mode. Here you have two mode. You have edged mode and you have one-way mode. Guys, I always encourage you trade on one-way mode. In one-way mode, also known as buy and sell mode, you can only hold same direction position for a contract if you have already have a position in a contract and place an order in the opposite direction. The existing position will be reduced first and other amounts exceed the existing position will be opened in the opposite direction. Then if you tap on edge mode, in this mode you can hold both long and short position on a contract simultaneously, and unrealized PNL can be offset between the long position and the short position. So I will always encourage you use the one-way mode. That on this platform I use the one-way mode, which is very good for me. Now that I've said all this, then you see limit order. Tap on the arrow at the front of limit order. You have so many orders here, but guys, I'll cover just two: the limit order and the market order, because these are the common trading strategy you usually find on the internet. Now let me talk about the market order. The market order means you're going to buy at the current price of any token you are trading, and the current price of TRS on this instance is 0.35726 cents. Then here you can only enter the amount of UXDT you want to invest, or the amount of TRS you want to buy. So here I want to tap on this arrow and select UXDT because I want to buy on UXDT. You now enter the amount of UXDT you want to buy here, or you tap on it again, select USDT TRS, you enter the amount of TRS you want to buy. But most of the time, guys, always use UXDT. This determines the amount of USDT you have on your account. So that is how to trade that on this platform. That is the market price on this platform. Now, you know, I said you can calculate your earning, I mean your expected profit, before you even enter the trading properly. Now take a look at the current price here. Is 0.35691. That is the current price. So we want to predict that the price will fall the more. So let's go to calculator, tap on this button, tap on calculator. So now here is how to calculate your expected earning from this platform. The first thing you have to set is your leverage, which is 10x. Then decide which portion you want to take, and we are taking shorts. Now we are taking on leverages. Then the open price, that is the price we are entering the market, is going to be this, the current price. So let's enter the market because we predict that the price is going to come down. We are going to the market when the price falls to this price 0 now. Then close price when the price is 0.35670. We close the price, and the amount we want to invest on USDT time around, we are investing, let's say we are investing 500 UXDT. Now you see that we've entered what we need. The price we are entering, that's our open price, and our close price, and we predict that the price is coming down. So let's tap on calculate. Once you tap on calculate, based on our inputs, we're going to get this amount per margin, that is initial margin. We're going to get this, and we're going to get 0.5%, and you predict that the price is going to fall to around let me say 5, this time around 00. Then tap on calculate. So you can see that we make 2.66%, that is 5% of what you invested. You're going to get it here. So that is how to use this calculator to calculate your estimated profit before you enter the market. Now that I've known that, go ahead and select sell short because we predict that you are selling short. That is how to use market price. Now let's use the second trading process, which is limit order. I prefer limit order because it gives me the chance to enter the market at the price I want. Now here, to do this is very simple. You see the current price, then the price you want to enter the market, you enter it to this place. So I want to enter the market when the price is 00. When the price fall to this is when I want to enter the market. Then the value of USDT I want to buy, so I want to buy 500 USDT as usual. Then now that I've done that, you enter the market at that price. Then you tap on buy long now or buy or sell short. It means when the price fall to expected price here, and you have this amount on your account, the system will trigger your action. And when your action has been triggered, then you're able to take your profit and loss here. Now here you're able to take your profit here. Take profit, you are taking profit when the price, because you are buying short, when the price is 35400. So when the price fall to this, you are taking your profit. Then you want to stop loss when the price is 0.357089. So you are taking loss, you are stopping loss when the price is this, because you are predicting that the price is going to fall. You're taking loss, you're stopping loss price must higher than the entry price, and your taking profit must lower than the entry price. Then tap on sell short. So when the price fall to this, the system will trigger your action and you start the journey. As soon as the price hits your target taking profit, then you take your profit. And if the market go against your prediction, as soon as it the price of stop loss, you stop loss and you have the remaining USDT straight back to your wallet. That is all the process, guys, on how to start trading on this platform. If you enjoy what I've explained, if you're not subscribed, please take a few seconds of your time, subscribe, like, and share. See you soon, guys, on my next video.